Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. It's been a while, how have you been? It is great to see you again. Today I am going to share with you another great feature in Windows 10. Do you have this experience while you're playing the game, giving a presentation, or using any full screen applications? Suddenly an incoming notifications pop up. It is really annoying and distracting. Windows 10 has a great setting, which can automatically hide the pop-up notifications. The setting name is Focus Assist. It is quite similar to our cell phone's silent mode. It allows us to set the rules for automatic hide the notification during a certain hour, or when duplicating display, or when playing a game, or when using an app in full screen mode. The notification is sent to Action Center, and you will see the notifications when you leave Focus Assist mode. Let me show you how to enable the Focus Assist feature. First, search Focus Assist. Then run the Focus Assist. There are two parts in the Focus Assist setting. The first part is setting for the focus level, such as turn off, priority only, or alarms only. While the second part is the automatic rules, which determine the conditions that Focus Assist activate automatically. Let's start with configuring the focus level. Select the off option to turn off the Focus Assist. Or we may customize the notification that allowed by select the priority only. The priority list allow us to manage which notification is allowed, such as notification for call, texts, or reminders. We may further customize the priority list by people or by apps. Let's back to the previous screen. The last, alarms only. We may select this if we want to hide all notification except for alarm. Next, let's set the automatic rules. As we mentioned just now, the rules determine the condition that activate Focus Assist automatically. Each of the rules is a separate notification setting. We may select the item to turn that condition on or off, and determine the level of focus that activate the condition. Other than automatic turn on the Focus Assist, we may also able to manually switch the Focus Assist in the right bottom menu. We end here today. If you found my video is helping, please support me by like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you guys at the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.